Well, first up, news that's developing on the BJP front this evening. Division in the party's ranks or not. LK Advani has done it yet again today at the party's Madhya Pradesh BJP state executive. He said Gujarat was already economically prosperous when Modi took over the state. Modi has only made it better, which virtually counters Narendra Modi's claims of winning Gujarat thrice because he turned around the state's economy. Now, Advani also praised the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan for his record of progress and economic development. Many see this as perhaps positioning Shivraj Singh Chauhan against Narendra Modi in the coming general election.
मध्य प्रदेश ने शिवराज जी के आने के बाद क्या क्या उपलब्धियां की हैं तो विस्मय होगा, चमत्कार जैसे हो जाता है ना, वैसी स्थिति है। नरेंद्र भाई मोदी को मैं कहता हूं कि गुजरात तो पहले भी स्वस्थ था, उसको आपने उत्कृष्ट बना दिया है, इसके लिए आपका अभिनंदन। लेकिन मध्य प्रदेश और छत्तीसगढ़ बीमारू प्रदेश, उनको स्वस्थ बनाना और स्वस्थ ही नहीं ऐसी स्थिति लाना कि मन में इच्छा हो कि भारत में ही नंबर 1 न बने लेकिन विश्व में भी उसकी गिनती होने लगे।
Right, my colleague Rahul Srivastav now joins me for more on this. Rahul, LK Advani will predictably praise Shivraj Singh Chauhan at a state executive, party executive, but many reading much more into what he's saying about Narendra Modi.
You see, Maya, if it was a one-off thing that Mr. Narendra Modi, since Mr. Advani was in Madhya Pradesh addressing the state party executive, then perhaps it could have been seen in isolation. But people will draw inferences primarily because of the fact that right since the moment when Mr. Rajnath Singh took over as a party president and there was talk of Narendra Modi being elevated either as a prime ministerial candidate or even the in charge of the campaign for the BJP for 2014, it is an amazing regularity with which LK Advani has been praising Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and perhaps today is what is significant, that he has gone one step ahead and said that though Narendra Modi's Gujarat success story is worth praise, but somewhere Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan's Madhya Pradesh success story is remarkable. This kind of comparison, especially after the fact that Mr. Narendra Modi, who won Gujarat for the third time, was inducted into the parliamentary board as being an extremely successful chief minister, Mr. LK Advani has been slowly doing it.
Right, we seem to have lost that connection with Rahul, but as Rahul was saying that if this was only a one-off about LK Advani being in Madhya Pradesh and praising the state chief minister, it would be one thing, but this is also falling in line with a pattern of views against Narendra Modi particularly. Now also LK Advani went a step ahead as far as Shivraj Singh Chauhan is concerned and not only praised his work but also compared him with the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee for his humility.